Hello trader, here's Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. I have some new stuff for you guys here again. Let's see how it is, what you guys are gonna think. All right. First of all, let's go all around the world, see what's going on, and we'll be back here on the 4-hour chart. Before that, remembering that this analysis is already available on all social networks from TradeWiser. Reminding you guys that my disclaimer states that this analysis is an educational analysis. It's not an advisory, financial advisory. Okay. Coming to the fear and greed index, we have the level of 53. Yesterday it was 54, just one level down, no big deal. Bitcoin is moving kind of sideways, slightly up. So I don't see even why it had a reason to go um, one level down. But anyway, it's almost the same. Let's see how it looks like its chart. Here it is. As you guys can see, there are some other lines here. So I just want to remind you guys that this line here I'm going to remove. Okay. Since we had this breakout here and it is having a hard time to go through it. And besides that, we do have these two lines. We have also a smaller downtrend line going on here, and we have the black one, which is a resistance line. So I'm just, oh, of course, we do have this uptrend line, blue one. So I'm gonna go with these lines only and just let this primary downtrend for later in case we feel that the Bitcoin is going stronger up. Okay, so just for you guys to know. So I might also do instead of a 1 year chart, it might go with only like a 3 months or something like that that I can do. I'm gonna see what's the best, make things nice and neat for us, make it clearer for us, and let's see what is gonna go on. Okay, but for now, as you guys can see, we are inside a symmetrical triangle, and we are getting to a decision point. So let's see how that is going to work out for the next few days. Okay, we might have something going on by mid next week. Coming back here, we have the cryptocurrency world going, blinking back and forth, and it looks to me that it is a 50-50 deal right now. Unfortunately, we don't have numbers to say it's more positive or more negative, but I have another way to do that, but what we can see is that looks like the market is moving sideways, except that we have some cryptocurrency moving. See, if we go with this USDT, the Tether pair with a few coins, you can see that we have 62. Look right here, we have 62 matches, which gives us a lot of opportunity to trade, and most of them have a huge volume for the day, which means that and by the way, it's a lot of coins that we know. For instance, REN, we have the IOST, what else? EOS, Nano as well. That's it. So there's a few that we know that it's a friend of ours for a while and which could make us some money. So it looks like even though Bitcoin is moving sideways, kind of, I don't know where I'm going to go, we still have the other altcoins to play around and make money. All right. Moving forward, I want to present you guys this table right here. As you can see, it is a Bitcoin CME future for June, which will expire on June 26th. It's 21 days from today. Check this out down here. We do have a bunch of open contracts for call, which means that these folks want to see the Bitcoin going up. And if we check which is the level that they are expecting, what is the strike, see, that they are expecting. Notice how we have here a call, 180 calls on 10,000. We're just there, right? We also have a 20 call on 9900 or 9900. What else do we have? We have here another call on 35 contracts on 10,100. We have another 37 contracts on 10,200, which means there's a lot of guys playing around the between 10,200 and 10,000. Okay, so why not go down to 9,900? Okay, so we just have a small spread here, $300 spread with a lot of contracts. So what I'm thinking here is that we might see Bitcoin going up or over 10,000 by June 26th. And I'm gonna just show you guys one more thing. If we move around here and go to the future contract for SP 500, this is what we're gonna see. Check this out. This is what we're gonna see. We're gonna see a lot of contracts open for put, but we also do have a lot of contract going for call. But this is the thing. This is the thing. It's going to expire on June 19. In the meantime, the S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, whatever, name it, is going up. So it is satisfying these guys on the call. Okay, and prior or at June 19 and 20, we might see prices going down, a huge drop, which will give a gain for the put contracts. All right. So as you guys can see, and as I heard today on Yahoo Finance, guys were saying that capitalism isn't what it was supposed to be. It is a lot of manipulation, speculation, and so on from the big guys, and we just follow them. So the thing is, figure out where is the sign and follow the sign. This is what I'm trying to do with this table right here. So hopefully I got better numbers for you guys than the previous table that I had. I'm very comfortable with this one here. So hopefully it will give us some sign. We're gonna keep looking these guys every single day prior to June 19. Now let's see how it's going to go on, and who knows? Try to make money. All right. Okay. So now let's move for the Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Notice that I made a horizontal arrow right here between this move right here before it did this huge let's not huge but a significant bump right here. So I got this distance and I moved it to this position here, trying to figure out where could be the next bump. Oh, Marcelo, but there was a dump, a small dump, intermediate. Yeah, but there was one here, right. I count this as something significant. All right. I'm going towards this one here, which is tomorrow at 7 a.m. UTC -3. Okay. This always happen on Bitcoin. Sometimes it bumps or dumps early Saturday or late Saturday, but always something goes on during the weekend, and I call this lawless land. Okay, no traditional market open, so Bitcoin is free to move wherever it wants. Okay, so let's pay attention on that. And as you guys can see, the Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, which should be going up and down, it is moving sideways. I'm expecting to see a Bollinger blast soon, but we still have a lot of spread here. So the thing is, you have to move on the time frame that is right located right here on the top left, and figure out which one is the good one to trade. If it's the 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and so on. Okay. As you can see, all indicators are kind of stick to a small spread, to a small move, and it's at this moment it wants to go up. So I don't think the 1 hour is a big deal because it's a quick chart. Let's go for the 4 hour. This is the one important here. I'm back. Notice that it looks like Bitcoin wants to go for a correction. See, the stochastic is going down, line and histogram. If we look to the MACD, which is a tough indicator, it is also telling us I want to go down with the line and the histogram. And when we look at the volume wave, it is building the negative wave. Okay, so it looks like it wants to go down. Who knows? And I want to show you guys one more thing here. Check this out. We had a dump pump right here. It went back and forth fast. We had another one here, back and forth fast, which I'm calling a dump pump. Okay, dump and pump. When we got here, we had another dump and pump, okay, but it was one bar later, okay. So we had this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dump bump, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dump bump. So I'm guessing we might go with the seventh one here. So it is where tomorrow at 9 a.m. And if we move one back, it's 5 p.m., which means it matches with what we saw previously. So it looks to me that, I don't know, something might happen tomorrow morning. Okay? This is my best guess based on the technical analysis. And which direction it's going to go? It looks to me that it's going to go down. We're on the 4 hour chart. It could go down due to the forces here, but let's see how it's going to move. This is the point. I want to show you guys one other thing, but now it's on the 1 hour chart. Remember that we had a lot of divergency here on the relative strength index right here, on the stochastic, on the MACD, on the spread price. It is still here. See, it is all over the place, and this is a daily chart. It is telling me I'm going down. So who knows if it's time to go down, because it is kind of a strong divergence. Okay, so I'm asking myself, isn't it time to go down? If it goes down, it can go way down to 8,800, which is not going to be a big deal. It's not going to be a big deal because it's still inside this uptrend channel, the blue one. So no problem at all. But if it decides to go up, it has the Fibonacci level at 100 percent of at 10,053. Then it's going to hit this resistance line at 10,039 and 79, and it will immediately reach the Fibonacci 127.2% at 10,437. Okay, this is my guess for the move if it goes up, and if it goes down, it normally, let me zoom here a little bit. It normally goes down towards this between the 50% and the 61.8% of Fibonacci. If it goes under the 61.8% Fibonacci at 9,306, then Houston, we might have a problem, but still inside the upper trend channel, the blue one. There's not going to be a big deal, okay? And once again, reminding you guys that prices are going up while volume looks like wants to go down. This is something still curious about this whole move. Actually, the whole market is insane lately. If we go to the weekly chart, we also have here a divergence going on. Okay, and we do have a candle, which is long shadow, long upper shadow, which is a top reversal. So we have this kind of candle on that position, and we have divergency going all through the indicators, and we have the volume wave going down. So my best guess is that it is going down, but since this is a weekly chart, it can take like forever. So well, I think our best guess for now is keep our eyes, a keen eye on the daily chart and the 4 hour chart. Okay, this is my guess for today. Reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all my um, social networks, and I would appreciate if you guys can go to TradingView and give me and follow me there. I'm almost reaching 1,000 followers. And if you guys want to make me happy this weekend, just go there and follow me. This thing is gonna jump high, and I'm gonna be happy. Okay, that's it, folks, for today. Hopefully, it was useful for you guys, and that's it. With the weekend coming in with the lawless land, now it's showtime. Take care.